going on, YouTube? I thought I'd do a little bit something different today. I was out at my local Target and I picked up a blaster box of one of these Tops American Pies. So I was going to do the box break on camera just to show you guys what you can possibly pull out of them. So let's open it right on up and see what we get. Sorry about that. Looks like we got 7 packs plus 1 extra pack, so 8 packs here to check out. Okay, first pack. Let's see what we get. Okay. This is my first look at the cards too. So I've got Jimi Hendrix here, the Jim Nelson Company. I won't even name them all through. I'll just go through them kind of quickly, just to show you guys what you might pull out the pack. It's kind of interesting stuff. I guess it's all supposed to be about stuff from our history, important things. Okay, looks like we got a Humphrey Bogart there. First NASCAR race held. Fads and Fashions slap bracelets. Ronald Reagan. Titanic. Looks like the first iPod released. Alright, third pack. Hell's Angels. Cornrows. Cool. An autograph relic out of a blaster box. That's really cool. Susan Lucci. Autograph. Non-numbered. Really cool hit out of a blaster box though, for sure. So I'll put that off to the side. Put it right here. I see, and the last card in that was a Phelps wins 8 golds. Okay, another pack here. Dean Martin and Jerry Lewis. Got American Bandstand. James Dean dies. Looks like some kind of refractor. Non-numbered. We got Hurricane Irene. Windows 1.0. Looks like a young Bill Gates there. We got Live Aid. Okay. Elizabeth Taylor. To Kill a Mockingbird. Hollywood Walk of Fame, John Lennon. Looks like the first Happy Meal. Roots. And the first UPC scanned. Okay, got Cary Grant. The Godfather published. Hank Williams. Fads and Fashions 3D movies. John Lennon. Michael Jackson's Thriller. 2 packs to go. Okay. Spencer Tracy. What is that? Hopalong Cassidy, Grace Kelly, oh cool, Garbage Pail Kids. I guess that's a sticker. I didn't even know those were in there. I used to collect those as a kid. So that's cool. Oprah Winfrey and Kurt Cobain Suicide. Last pack. Okay, we got a first instant camera. Jimmy Stewart, one of my favorite older actors. First Corvette released. Y2K Dud, New Millennium. Napster debuts. And a Human Genome Project. So, definitely the card of the box was this. Susan Lucci with a part of Celebrity One memorabilia. Not a bad pull at all from a blaster box. I'm going to look on a pack and see what the odds are pulling one of these are. Let's see. American Pie Autograph Relic. 1 out of 670. If I got that right. American Pie Autograph is 1 out of 161. But American Pie Autograph Relic is 1 out of 660. So really cool. Awesome pull there. Super excited about that. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.